Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we're making the saddest looking piece of decoration hardware I've ever seen. We're making cardboard flowers. You only need 4 things for this. Well, really just 3, but if you do it the way I did it, you need 4. You need some scissors, a cardboard tube, hot glue, and some paint. Let's get started. First, cut your tube into as many pieces as you want petals for your flowers. You could do 4, you could do 11, I don't care. Just, it's a flower, make it your own way. Flatten the loops to look like petals and start gluing them together. Remember, you can add as many petals as you want to, but no matter what you do, this is going to end up in the trash, so don't spend too much time on it. And last but not least, add some color. I spent way too long trying to figure out where in the world I could put these. I thought maybe on my bookshelf they would look nice, and they didn't. I tried them as a window decoration, but they wouldn't stay. I put them as a centerpiece to my table, but they got eaten. They just don't look good until I found the perfect place for them. The trash. Thanks for watching. I think we made a terrible decision making this. But if you haven't already, go down below, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get notified every time I release a video. And as always, stay fancy. Oh, you're still with me. Well, click here to see a video that YouTube thinks you want to watch. Click here to subscribe.